Babies, let's enjoy the alphabet. S to X. Green color, red color, brown color, pink color, orange color, blue color, orange color, orange color. S for strawberry, S for snake. Pink color, T for tiger, T for tree. Brown color, U for umbrella. Blue color, V for vase. Green color, W for watermelon, W for window. Red color, X for X-ray. S for strawberry, S for snake. T for tiger, T for tree. U for umbrella. V for vase. W for window, W for window. X for X-ray. Thank you.